Press the power button to turn off the machine. Rotate the pre-installed surface engraving lens counterclockwise to remove it. Transfer the top protective cover from the inner engraving lens to the surface engraving lens. Do not touch the glass surface of the lens, as this may cause dirt and reduce engraving quality. If the lens surface gets dirty, wipe it clean with a lint-free cloth dampened with absolute ethanol. The text "Assembly Face" faces forward when the inner engraving lens is installed onto the machine. Pull down the bottom protective cover of the inner engraving lens. Do not touch the glass surface of the lens, as this may reduce engraving quality. Attach the bottom protective cover to the surface engraving lens. If the lens surface gets dirty, wipe it clean with a lint-free cloth dampened with absolute ethanol, then install it onto the machine. Join the two riser support plates together. Secure the riser support plates to the riser base plate. Secure the riser top plate onto the riser support plates. Install the positioning piece onto the riser. Turn the thumb screw clockwise to tighten it, then slightly counterclockwise to loosen it for sliding the positioning piece along the groove. Install the other two thumb screws into the holes on both sides of the riser base plate. Press the power button to turn on the machine. Open xTool Studio and connect the machine. Select the inner engraving processing mode. Select a K9 glass block as the object for inner engraving. Use a vernier caliper to measure its length, width, and height. Secure the glass block on the riser with the positioning piece. Read the value on the positioning piece. Wipe the top surface of the cube with a lint-free cloth. Enter the measured values into the software. If you are using K9 glass, set the refractive index to 1.5. If using third-party materials, enter the corresponding refractive index. Then import the canvas. Click the 3D generation. Select an image from 3D modeling to generate a model. Upload the picture you want to engrave for 3D conversion. Click the generated file. The pattern will be embedded into the 3D model of the material. You can move the pattern to the desired engraving position by dragging the 3 directional arrows. You can also use the rotate function to adjust the model. Select the material that matches the glass you are using. We will provide the relevant processing parameters. Click Start and pull down the protective enclosure. Press the xTool button to start processing. Okay, the inner engraving is now complete.